My name's Ivy Minikon and I am Gugi Alanji, Kabi Kabi, Gurang and South Sea Islander Nations. I am studying currently a Bachelor of Contemporary Australian Indigenous Art, and today you're in the studio for that space. In our studios we have students from all over Australia, but it's more so for our fellow Indigenous students to come in and have a space where we can feel safe and create and connect with each other and share each other's ideas and work together and just have a place where we can come and create. There's a lot of other phenomenal artworks, phenomenal artists that we already have in this space. Having that on display around the studio, it just helps with our own ideas and our own concepts and gives you that benchmark of how good the work is around here, and it kind of gives you that desire to want to perform. I never see myself as an artist. Since I've been at Griffith, I've learnt a lot about the weaving. With the weaving, I'm looking at revitalising cultural practices and weaves that were stolen during the stolen generation process. Not kind of sure what box I fit into. I really love just being able to try out different things. And I'm just kind of exploring. It's not just a degree about Indigenous art, it's a degree about the entirety of what it means to be an Indigenous person in society and as an Indigenous artist. And I believe CAIA gives us that safe space to really investigate as Indigenous people who we are, what we're doing and what it is we need to talk about. There's so many opportunities at Griffith. I would 100% recommend for anyone to come along and do the degree. It's a really empowering space to be.